Presently, all around the world, companies in the field of pharmaceutical and medical devices are facing some of their biggest challenges. Challenge to reduce the empathy gap through a sustainable business model. Challenge to face the revolution of an unrecognized disease. Challenge to innovate newer drugs and treatment methods. Few of these need to be acknowledged on priority due to their unexplored severity. To face these challenges, do we have enough resources available? Can we improve the engagement between the interdependent fields? Can we dilute the risk associated with the clinical trial? Can our patients rely on us? Can we increase our patients' faith while assuring them that all the regulatory frameworks are being followed? Is there any easy way to resolve all these issues? We at CBCC Global Research will help you address these challenges successfully and economically. Our values have enabled us to become flexible and innovative with time. We are a global clinical research organization serving a spectrum of services and harnessing the latest innovations in the fight against diseases. Following our patient-first philosophy, we have been able to connect patients with the research and clinical trial objectives. Our close association with medical advisory boards and research communities help us to decode the intricacies of clinical trial and targeted therapy. We don't just provide services, we provide a smooth, healing, comforting, and hassle-free delivery of care for our patients. We are a company growing rapidly to be the face of innovation. We believe in giving the community we live in. We believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is my family. We change lives through hope and innovation, and most importantly, finding a cure.